3.2 External Projects, Project 5 Sharing Your Work. Now this is example number 1 of the raised line of the paper. Now I have continued to use my Multimix media with this piece and I've combined wooden sticks to represent the raised line and machine knitting. Now here around the top is sample number 1, which was the very first of my samples. Now the reason why I've stayed with mixed media and the knitting is because the knitting has acted as a concrete foundation for the wooden sticks, but it's also allowed me to make the knit flexible, and it's also started to investigate straight lines and curves of the line. So as we can see through here, I can twist and turn and manipulate this piece. Now this was sample number 1, and an extension of this, as we can see, is a large scale knitted piece. The wooden sticks were laid out, measured against the stitches and the gauges of the knitted piece, and then they've been hooked into the knitting. They've been applied to the reverse of the knit, and I have had to miss out a needle. At the moment I have been out of action with knitting machines. I've got 2 knitting machines and I've incurred problems, which I will go on later to explain that this has led to a collaboration. But at the moment, with the large scale sample I wanted to represent, and there are several more photographs on the blog of how the raised line of the paper has now started to play with the curves of the body, which I have intentions of using as a platform to investigate the shape and the tension, and how these knitted samples literally adhere themselves to the body shape. I will again be in collaboration with a model to make some more video footage, but at present I just wanted to show and explain the initial beginnings of these videoed samples.